boost leak. Fuck! What is up, my Beamer brothers? As you can see, my overhead mirror is completely shattered, and because of that, the lamp doesn't turn off. I don't know what happened. I bought the car like this. Let's fix it! Torque screw. This is as simple as it gets. But you know, some things are, you know, not self-explanatory for everybody. You know, something you might consider simple is not simple for someone else. Two Torx bits. Pull this bitch out. Little cable here. Little cable. See this? See the little cable here? Pull it out. I got a new visor from my local scrapper junkyard. Cable in. Force her back. Put the screws back. And yeah, and then you're fucking done. And you're fucking done, boys, yeah? I don't know what happened. I bought the car like this. I can only imagine something like this probably happened. Dad won't let me drive the 335 anymore!